How to automatically scroll on TikTok using your iPhone voice control. First, open Settings on your iPhone, tap on Accessibility. Then, select Voice Control and enable the voice control option. Next, tap on Customize Commands, then create New Command. Type the phrase "Next" as your voice command. Now, set an action by selecting Run Custom Gesture. Draw a swipe-up gesture on the screen, then hit Save in the top right corner. Go back and tap on Application, then select TikTok from the list. Now, close Settings and open the TikTok app. Once you're on your TikTok feed, simply say "Next" and the app will automatically scroll to the next video. This iPhone accessibility feature makes hands-free scrolling TikTok super easy. That's how you enable auto scroll on TikTok using voice commands.